We're CarePayment, the leading patient financial engagement platform that offers always 0% APR patient financing. Today, we'll walk you through the seamless CarePayment implementation process to equip you with all the information you need to understand what's required on your end to kickstart this journey. First, we'll kick off the CarePayment implementation with a welcome call to deep dive into your current processes. Next, we move into development and testing. Here, our team focuses on technical file development, process refinement, training, and marketing coordination. In the production testing phase, we conduct a soft go-live with pilot accounts to ensure everything runs smoothly before the full launch. Finally, it's time for the big launch. Once live, our team monitors the solution for 4 weeks, ensuring everything runs seamlessly before transitioning ongoing support to your team. Every CarePayment implementation is tailored to fit each provider's unique revenue cycle process and program setup. Our experienced team can customize workflows to ensure seamless integration, minimizing efforts for staff and patients. CarePayment seamlessly integrates with over 40 hospital billing systems, ensuring compatibility with all health information systems. With significant expertise in leading HIS systems, including Epic and Cerner, CarePayment ensures a streamlined implementation across diverse healthcare environments. To implement, data transfers between your provider's billing system and CarePayment is securely conducted through daily or weekly file transfers using secure protocols. This exchange enables daily placement of eligible accounts with CarePayment for timely processing. It also maintains synchronization between your system and CarePayment, ensuring accurate financial information on payments, adjustments, and transactions. It also provides comprehensive payment and AR transactions, enhancing financial visibility and control. With this seamless data exchange, CarePayment becomes an integral component of your revenue cycle management without relying on manual processes. During implementation, the CarePayment team will work closely with your marketing team to develop a co-branded marketing plan designed to educate patients about the CarePayment program and build patient loyalty. Our omni-channel engagement approach is customizable for each provider as we work in tandem to develop a plan that fits your needs. Implementing CarePayment is a collaborative process aimed at supporting you and your team in helping patients afford their care while enhancing your bottom line, driving positive changes in patient care, provider financial stability, and community well-being.